Hello and welcome. This video demonstrates Jomo AI, a lightweight WPF chatbot built to teach basic cybersecurity habits and to help you manage simple tasks and reminders. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you how this app does, how the main components work, where to look in the code if you want to extend it. Okay, what is Jomo AI? At a high level, Jomo AI is a desktop chatbot for Windows built with WPF and .NET Framework 4.7.2. It serves three core purposes: provide friendly, practical cybersecurity advice, lets users add, view, complete, and delete tasks. For example, enabling two-factor authentication. Offers a short quiz, mini-game, a test to test cybersecurity knowledge. The interface is a simple chat window. You type a message and the bot replies. Commands are natural language. Add task, view task, start quiz, or just ask questions like, how do I protect my privacy? The bot will support a 3-step multi-turn flow for add task title. Title, description, optional reminder. Okay, what can I ask you? Let's demonstrate quickly. Type, what can I ask you? The bot lists examples, prompts, and features. Now type add task. Enable two-factor authentication. The bot autofills a suggestion, description, prompts whether you want a reminder, then save the task. Later type view task to see the task list. Type start quiz to start a short cybersecurity quiz. The architecture. Under the hood, the app is deliberately small and modular. 3 classes matter most. Chatbot CS, the conversation engine. It performs intended detection, manages multi-turn state, and delegates to the task manager and quiz manager. Task manager.cs, responsible for persisting task and the activity log. This is where database writes, reads, completion, and deletion happens. Quizmanager.cs contains quiz questions and the quiz state machine. It tracks current questions, scores, and returns the next prompt to the final score. The WPF layer is light. A main chat window.xml hosts the text input, message display, and wires user input to chatbot get response method. Showing the chatbot CS file. Let's walk through the flow of chatbot CS. When a message arrives, the chatbot normalizes the text, then checks for global commands like exit or start quiz. If the quiz is active, everything goes to quiz manager. Otherwise, the bot uses simple keyword rules to detect intents, add task, view task, complete, delete, and a few others. A key feature is the multi-turn add task flow. When a user says add task without a title, the bot sees a pending state, add task _ need title, and asks for the title after the user supplies a title. The bot either generates a description from a small dictionary of known security tasks or asks the user for one. Finally, it asks whether to set a reminder only after the final step does. Chatbot call _ task add task method. In task manager, to persist the task. If anything goes wrong at this point, tasks won't appear. Check the task manager, add task, return, and your database connection. Showing the task manager CS briefly. Task manager contains database access and formatting it. It writes task and the activity log. The simple code refers MySQL client package, so you may ensure your connection string, database server, and table matches the code. If the added task sequence completes all prompts, but the task isn't saved, and where you troubleshoot, verify the DB, the database connection string in app.config, run the SQL setup script included in the project and check for exceptions. writing, showing managerquiz.cs. Managing quiz is straightforward. It holds a list of quiz questions, objects, and exposes start method and answer string method. When a quiz is active, chatbot forwards user replies to quiz manager .answer. The manager validates the answer, updates score, and returns either feedback plus the next question or final score summary. This separation keeps the conversation logic clean. Okay, let's get an example, step by step. Add task flow. Here's a transcript for the following add task flow. Okay. Add task, backup file. Got it. Please give a short description. User, backup document and pictures to external drive. Bot, would you like a reminder? Example, in 3 days or tomorrow. User, in 2 days. Task saved. Would you like to add another task? Notice that the bot stores title, description, and optional reminding string. The reminder paraphrases is simple text. You can extend it to create calendar events or scheduled notifications. Troubleshooting notes. Question. Quick troubleshooting tips. If tasks aren't persisting, open taskmanager.cs and verify the SQL execution Java AI and the return value of add task. Confirm the connection string to app config and the database table exists. The repo includes the setup SQL you can run using try catch and logging in task manager to capture database errors. The app already logs and actions of the activity log. Check the output for queues. Extending app. If you want to extend Jonga AI, replace simple keyword intention detection with an NLP model or cloud intent service. Improve render phases with the data time fast like natty or not a time. Store a data time implementation or scheduler for notification. Migrate persist at an ORM like entity framework or specify schema evolution in testing. Add unit testing around chatbot flow and task manager database operation. On screen, a quick security note. This app demonstrates cybersecurity guidance, so treat the data stored responsibly. Don't store sensitive personal data in plain text, and secure your database connection string. If you deploy beyond local testing and authorization and proper testing management. Okay, cool. To run the project, can final demo. The bot gives immediate feedback and a final score summary. This is a useful way to reinforce the cybersecurity tip and app trenches. That's Jonga AI, a simple yet extendable desktop chatbot that teaches cybersecurity basics, manages tasks and reminders, and offers an interactive quiz. The code is structured so you can focus on improving conversation persisting or UX independency if you want. Yeah. Thank you for watching.